Okay, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you the problem with the MacBook 2017, 15, 13 inch, and when we turn on, you see what is the problem with this? The problem is the screen problem. So why Apple always has this problem? Not only me, but other people or other laptop also has. Maybe it's slim because of the screen, or because of the technical, or because of the designer. So this problem we're gonna pay around 400 to 600 for replace this one, a whole screen. So if you buy this model and it expires for warranties, and then you have to prepare money for replace the screen. So maybe next generation Apple should not create like this. It have two problems or three problems, you see. The first problem is the backlight, and the second problem is camera, and the third problem is the screen like this. So Apple should be seeing it again. Okay, thank you for your watching.